Fix skate connection lost error 147808. 1. Check EA server status. Visit https:/ea.com/unable to connect. Please open your app to see this link. If EA servers are down, the issue isn't on your end. Just wait until servers are restored. Harvest 2. Power cycle your console PC. Turn off your system completely. Unplug it for 2 to 3 minutes. Restart your router and relaunch Skate. This clears DNS and temporary connection data. 3. Sign out and relog into EA account. Go to EA account settings, log out, relog in. This refreshes your token and resolves sync failures between console and EA backend. 4. Rebuild cache, console only. PS5, turn off console, hold power button until you hear 2 beeps. Choose rebuild database. Xbox, hold power button for 10 seconds, unplug for 2 minutes, plug back in and restart. 5. Disable crossplay temporarily. Go to settings, network, crossplay, off. Some users report this fixes EA connection drops. Tashes 6. Use Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, primary 8.88.8, secondary 8.8.4.4, or primary 1.11.1, secondary 1.0.1. 7. Reinstall EA app on PC. If you're on PC, uninstall and reinstall the EA app. Cache login corruption can trigger this exact code. If nothing works, EA's backend may be throttling early access connections. In that case, wait 30 to 60 minutes and retry. Check the official EA help or @SkateEA Twitter X pages for outage updates. Would you like me